we're seeing is that the number of people who are being laid off is still a pretty high number, over 1 million a week. But but those numbers are coming down dramatically. The real big issue is that the number of people who remain unemployed in the U.S. is about 20 million. And while a lot of these folks are going to get jobs relatively quickly over the next year, it'll probably take 3-4 years or longer before everyone who's been laid off is going to be back in jobs that they find satisfactory. So I think that the story here is near-term improvement, but longer term, it's going to take a much more effort to get back to where we were than perhaps people are expecting.
Sure, but if you break down the data that came out yesterday with the ADP payrolls, Jonathan, it seems like the hospitality sector was back hiring people through the month of May as well as June, and also smaller businesses picked up their hiring processes. So is there a sense that that part of the economy is coming back? Because that would support the entire pyramid in terms of building economic activity into the third quarter.
Yeah, I think that there's clearly a part of that which is true, and some of which is kind of missing a larger story. So what you're seeing is that if you're comparing the change in payrolls, the number of people being employed, the number of people out shopping, the ISM report that came out today, which was extremely strong, those look brilliant. However, if you then say how many people are still unemployed and how long will it take to get them back employed, that's a very high number. The same thing on industrial activity. Yes, we've seen a big jump in the ISM, but the report specifically asks, is activity better now than it was 1 month ago? Well, 1 month ago, Americans were staying in their homes, and today they're out, and the shelter-at-home restrictions have been lifted. Of course, things are getting better. So I think we have to I think we want to celebrate the successes, but be very careful not to extrapolate them too much.